10 easy tips for foam mattress care, boost comfort and extend its life. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. Today's video is all about foam mattress care. Foam mattresses are a great investment as they provide superior comfort and support, but they do require proper care to extend their lifespan. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 easy tips to keep your foam mattress clean and comfortable for years to come. Tip number 1 is to rotate your mattress regularly. This will help distribute the weight evenly and prevent sagging. Tip number 2 is to vacuum your mattress regularly to remove dust and dirt particles. Tip number 3 is to use a mattress protector to prevent stains and spills from damaging the foam. Tip number 4 is to avoid jumping or standing on the mattress, as this can cause damage to the foam. Tip number 5 is to avoid using harsh chemicals when cleaning your mattress. Instead, use a mild detergent and water to spot clean any stains. Tip number 6 is to avoid using a steam cleaner as the heat can damage the foam. Tip number 7 is to let your mattress breathe by removing the sheets and blankets once a week. Tip number 8 is to keep your bedroom well ventilated to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to mold and mildew growth. Tip number 9 is to use a foam-friendly cleaner to remove any odors. And lastly, tip number 10 is to replace your mattress every 7 to 10 years, as foam mattresses do wear out over time. Conclusion: foam mattresses are a great investment, but they do require proper care to extend their lifespan. By following these 10 easy tips, you can keep your foam mattress clean and comfortable for years to come. Remember to rotate your mattress, vacuum it regularly, use a mattress protector, avoid harsh chemicals, and replace it every 7 to 10 years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home.